Hello friends, today we are going to unbox a new laptop which is Asus TUF Gaming A15. In this laptop, AMD Ryzen 5 4600H comes with 1650 which is 4GB variant GDDR6. Let's quickly unbox it. Let's we place our laptop aside, and this is our user guide and warranty card. Power adapter which is 150 watt, and at the other block we got our power cord for adapter. Let's quickly place this box aside. Let me place the sole accessory one side. Let's fastly unwrap it. Here we are unwrapped our laptop and let's open it up. The design of laptop is really attracting. Here at the top you get heat vent for intake, for cool air intake, and chiclet keyboard which is fully RGB and controllable. And the trackpad comes with dedicated click buttons, so which feels you more comfortable in clicking, as you can see that. And at the top we got our webcam which is 720p. In this model, which is Bonfire Black, you got back panel of made up of plastic, but in Fortless Grey, it is made up of metal. Here we got our one charging port, RJ45, HDMI to USB 3.0, USB-C type, and headphone jack. At left side, and we got our one USB 2.0 port and Kingston port. At the back we got our two heat vents which are for outtake of hot air. At the bottom, honeycomb design is present which is open from few sides to get the cool air intake, and padding is provided all around the laptop so that it doesn't slip at the slopes. Let's quickly start it. As you can see, I have started and RGB starts glowing. And the boot time of this laptop is 11 seconds approximately. I have tested it around 4 or 5 times. The window comes pre-installed in our SSD which is of 256GB installed in it. As you can see here, it is Ryzen 5 4600 variant with 1650 and 8GB RAM. Windows 10 Home Single Language is pre-installed, as you all know, with lifetime validity. Here in our storage, out of 256GB, we get only 219GB in SSD, and in HDD we got our 931GB out of 1TB. Let me show the refresh rate of display, which is 144Hz, but you can switch it to 60Hz also to. Here we got our Armory kit which is pre-installed in our laptop from Asus, where you can check your laptop stats. Here four modes are available: Windows, Silent, Performance and Turbo. You can switch between them while you are gaming or editing something. Here, yes, you can see that CPU stats, GPU stats, RAM stats, fan stats. And here one thing is present where you can control RGB of keyboard and go after going to system, then lighting, where four modes are present, that is static, storming, color mode, as you can see on this display, and breathing mode, where you can change your speed and brightness of light according to your taste. Now let's go to the NVIDIA control panel, where you can optimize or maintain your 1650 graphics card settings, 1650 graphics card settings, as you can see on display. Now let's go to the task manager, where I can show you the CPU, memory, disk and Wi-Fi usage and GPU. As you can see, our speed and each and everything is visible to you. Let's go to the sound test or speaker test, as you can see on display. I am quiet for few seconds so that you can hear speaker voice. After the sound test, we will go to display test, where you can check the color accuracy and all things about display. Let's get to the display color accuracy test. I am playing this footage at 4K and full brightness,
Only a win for Barca would
100%
be enough
brightness.
because it would give them the same number of points as Atletico, but the head-to-head goal difference is what counts in the case of a tie on points. The mosaic of the Camp Nou and the Barcelona hymn being sung as referee Mateo Laoz prizing presence on the bench as well. Atletico playing in yellow, helping out, Koke helping out right beside the shots, and Courtois, there's the save you were looking for, Duncan. Well, Nathan looks to get a penalty for that, surely. Let's have a look again. The Football Club Barcelona.
Hey, thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.